How to make decisions in life. Choices and decision, and how to make the right decision in life. Key factors in going through life. We have these different situations, circumstances, problems, the dynamics of life, some setbacks. Then we have those situations that's unexpected. Then you come up against those choices and decisions that you have to make that might impact not just your life, but people's life around you. Now, when you think of the choices that you have to make or how to make decisions in life, you have to think about the pros and cons. And what is the aftermath after decision? And how it will affect you and others around you. How will it affect you emotionally, spiritually, physically, especially emotionally. You don't want to make a decision based off of anger, aggression, resentment. You want to have the right factors laid out before you're making a decision. So sometimes making a decision, sometimes people say it's good just to make a decision just off of the ram, like just quick decision. And sometimes that works in life. But sometimes in life, and that's where a lot of us are making mistakes, we're making decisions too fast just to appease the situation or to make the situation comfortable or to remain comfortable. So you make those decisions that keep you in a comfortability space instead of being uncomfortable. Now, how to make decisions, we might make a decision based off of how it makes us feel, our comfortability. And then we might make a decision that might hold us back because we're not thinking of the mindset of abundance, but we're thinking of the mindset of lack. So when you go off the mindset of lack, then you're not challenging yourself. Because it's easy to be comfortable in the mindset of lack. But when you operate in the decision of the mindset of abundance, it takes a lot more effort, a lot more steps, a lot more preparation. So how to make a decision, you have to really think about how it's going to affect your future. How to make a decision, you have to think about how it's going to affect the people around you. For example, you decide, to go out, have a good time, enjoying things, maybe a lot of that time it includes some, enjoying of the spirits, the alcohol. So then you get uncomfortable and then you out and about, you're having a good time. What they call it, we turn up, right? And then we will have those points where those circumstances might face you. Now, the circumstance I'm thinking about is a story that I just heard on the news where two females, I guess they're out having a good time, doing what they do, and unfortunately, they made choices of not accepting one another in each other's space. So it wasn't acceptable. They had some problems with one another. So now that problem caused friction. Friction caused to one another looking at each other, staring each other down, not enjoying one another's space while they were supposed to be out enjoying just the space in general. But then they having this decision of making a decision, not even thinking about it, that they're better than one another. So they're thinking that each person is better than the other. Friction developed, and the situation spins off into a fight. Now that fight spins off into something worse where somebody brandished a weapon, and by brandish a weapon, they did physical harm to the other female, and unfortunately that physical harm led to the unlifing of that other female. So now you have to think about, okay, where do you make the right decision on that one? And how do you make the decision? You have to think about the mind, because the mind, like they say, is a powerful thing. So how you make the decision off of that one, you have to think of the circumstances or the outcome of what if this friction developed and those two females, well, they thinking, they want to get the upper hand on one another. Why don't you make the decision of, okay, you're in this space, I'm not enjoying you in this space, so for this to be a better situation, remove yourself from that space, so then now you're not in the same space as the other person, instead of developing friction and trying to overpower one another and control it and control the space. That decision was to remove, on both parts, remove yourself from that space. Make the choice and decision to move yourself from that choice, right? From that situation. You remove yourself from that situation, you develop a better choice. You develop a way of making a decision to think about the future. Now that's the what if, and not the prolonging of later on what if you want what if, but the situation before. You think of what if the escalation builds up more and we end up to something else and it leads to more, which unfortunately it did. But what if you remove yourself from the situation and remove yourself from the space and then find another place, right? Find another place, then both lives right now would be better. Not one gone and the other will be facing prison time, Just wanted to come on here and voice it, because choices and decisions are going to be a big factor going forward. Time is flying. The future is closer than you think. The future is here. So think about that, right? Think about that. Think about the choices and decisions. How to make your decision is going to be based on what does it bring to the future? How does it serve you in the future? How does it serve you and the other people around you in the future? People who are within your realm, within your energy, within your space. How is making the decision going to affect everybody? So step 1, you have to think about the pros and cons. Step 2, how is it going to affect others? Step 3, think about the outcome as a whole. And step 4, just go ahead and get things done, right? Go ahead and make the right decisions. But think about it. Think about your choices and decisions. Think about how it affects your life, how the pros and cons of your decision and making the decision. And basically, down to it, step 4, basically down to it, it's all on you. It's your life. So it's your life to win. It's all on you. Make sure that the decision will be serving you to the fullest positive way as best as possible, especially going through all these negative and things in life. All right. So once again, I hope you got some of the value out of this. Leave me some comment, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I got an ebook coming out, so look out for my ebook. All right. Talk to you later. Peace.